Sunday. It's actually noon, so middle of the day. I'm still in my pajamas, haven't showered yet today, but I have been working. One of the biggest perks of working from home is being able to be in your pajamas all day if you've got nowhere to go. So I've just been editing all morning, so I haven't actually showered or gotten dressed yet. And I was about to shower so I could film this, and then I was like, do I really need to? Do you guys really care? I don't think you do. I think you actually like it when I'm in my pajamas all the time and in my dressing gown. I swear, you do. So anywho, today's video is going to be a little bit of like a homewares haul slash a pantry declutter and reorganize. I actually filmed a little bit of this 2 weeks ago, I think. And I was going to put it in one of my vlogs that I filmed 2 weeks ago, but I realized I should just do a dedicated video to my pantry declutter. So I'm going to insert the clips now of what I did 2 weeks ago when I was going through and just chucking out a bunch of like out-of-date stuff out of my pantry. I didn't go through absolutely everything, but I went through a majority of it. So I'll insert those clips now and then we'll continue on for today. Okay, so our pantry has like pull-out drawers, which is really handy. Makes it so much easier to get right up the back. Our other pantry cupboard, which is this one here, just has fixed shelving, which just has like more appliances and stuff in there. I need to clean that out actually. Reorganize that better eventually too, but I think we'll just focus on just this one today. So up the very top we have like spices and things, and then we've got like packet stuff, which I need to get containers to store these in. Do a little bit of Stephing if you guys don't know who she is. I'll link her in the description box. She's like the organisation queen. Actually, maybe that's what I need to do. I probably should order more of those containers, and then I can probably reorganise it properly. There's so much of this that's going to be expired, I just already know, because I literally haven't gone through it since we moved house. Maybe I should just do the chucking now, and then I can jump online and order the containers and then do that. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Okay, so I'm just going to start by going through this top shelf and just making sure all of this is actually in date. They're all in date. Okay, so that wasn't too bad. I have, what, one packet of stuff out of date. So I am, like I said, I'm going to actually order containers so that I can have these set up a little bit more nicely. Okay, so I did end up doing a little bit of shopping. I didn't shop from Kmart this time. Let me just put my hair on my face, otherwise I'm gonna keep touching it. So I didn't buy from Kmart. I just went to Big W and got a few things because they had some good containers there. So I thought I'll just get them because I want to put like all my little sachets of stuff in containers so they don't fall over as much. So I got, as you guys can probably see in the corner here next to my sink, we just have a tea towel on the bench. We don't actually have a wired dish rack because I don't like them. And I have a hair in my mouth. Ew. That's the worst ever. So, as I was saying, I have just a tea towel there because I don't like wire racks. So I saw this random extra large double-sided dish drying mat. And it's like a special dish drying mat instead of a tea towel. Probably like didn't need it, to be honest. So these containers were $5 each, and then the bigger one was $6. So I think the ones from Kmart are like $3 each, maybe even $2, I don't know, but they're, yeah, a little bit more expensive, but that is fridge containers. just clear plastic ones. I wasn't sure how many I should get or what I need, but I just got these 3 and we'll just see how that goes. And I also bought a new garlic press because my last one broke. So that's really exciting to crush my garlic with. Woo! Adulting at its finest. Oh, and I bought tea towels. These, they feel like microfiber. They don't feel like normal tea towels. So I got a pack of 3 and they match my kitchen aesthetic. I got a black one, a white one, and a stripy one. So I got some more tea towels. And I've got a dirty tissue in the bottom of that. So I guess without further ado, I should probably get stuck into going through the pantry and trying to set this stuff up. Wow, that's a lot of food. I can't believe that'll fit in my pantry, to be honest. I don't know why I ever complain that I've got no food in the house. It's a lot of bloody food. Do you guys do that? You're like, oh, there's nothing to eat, says Hannah, who has literally hundreds of dollars of groceries in her house. Wow. Oh, okay, so now I just need to vacuum the drawers of these and wipe them all down. Maybe I should actually clean out that top shelf too. I'm just trying to like figure out how I want to set this ish up, you know? Continental rice packets, you guys can't even see. They just fit. Oh, and that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to organize them in expiration dates. So this one expires 2020. So I'm actually going to put my rice noodles and my wok noodles there. Other noodles. And then I'll put my rice as well. And I can sit the pasta up the top there. And it won't hit. Okay, so then I guess I'll just put all the sauces and cans back in this one, like I had before. Tomato sauce and barbecue sauce. Dust. Okay, so next shelf, I think I'm going to do things like snack foods / stuff that's like in like boxes, I guess. God, that was a big sneeze. I actually think I want to make a protein powder shelf as well. So because Brett's got all these protein stuff in that cupboard over there, and I think I actually want to put it in this drawer here. So I'll start off with my powder. And the very bottom drawer, I think I'll put like all those bottles of balsamic vinegar, and this is probably like the deepest drawer too, so it fits like my cereal in there. Just don't look at my feet if you can see my feet, please. God, they're both out of date. Kind of powders. Oh, this is how you know I haven't really cooked for like the last, oh my God, 2015, that's out of date. So I have gone through that so far, but I'm getting a little bit hot. So I'm gonna go have a quick shower and get changed in something a little bit more appropriate. And then after I've had my shower, I'm going to go through this other pantry cupboard and take out all of the supplements and stuff that Brett has in there and put them in the drawer in this side of the pantry. So I'll be right back with an outfit change and being freshly showered. So fresh and so clean. So I need a snack before I can move on. Australian Cadbury chocolate is where it's bloody at. I reckon. So, I just need to clean out some of this stuff because I don't even know what half of it is. Half of it's out of date probably as well. Oh, Brett must have been having these. They were mine and they're all gone and I only had one, so Brett's obviously been having them. So I'm just going to empty out these cupboards. So I've got like most of that reorganized now. So I've got my Nespresso machine that I never use. Mum bought that for me. But I've had this for like, oh, it's really old. Like, it'll be like 7 years old. I had it when I lived in my first house. So easily 7 years old, maybe even 8 years. And I've just got all my Thermomix stuff. I love my Thermomix. I use it heaps in winter to cook soups. Sandwich press, toaster, that's the base of the Thermomix, some little esky bags, dog food, and just some random soft drink. So that's that done. So I've got my one and only little protein powder. And then I'll put my little collagen beauty powders in here too as well. So I'm currently taking these. These are the collagen beauty powders. I've been taking them for a week. I've got like a non-flavored one and a mango one. Mango one tastes really good. Non-flavored one's really good in stuff like coffee and hot chocolates. And I'm telling you guys, like I feel like I can notice a difference in my skin after a week. Like my skin feels so bloody soft and like plump. And I think it might be because of this, because I haven't been taking anything else. So yeah, that's exciting. We have these powders by Nature's Way that we add to smoothies. Brett and I both use them. Brett, this is the one that has the most smoothies. I only have smoothies like every now and again. So I'll put them up the front here. Now I believe Brett is having this protein at the moment, just like a vanilla one. So I'll put that . And I think I'm just about done. Just need to empty out the rubbish now. Wait, what's exciting? It didn't even take that long. It literally took me like an hour and a half with breaks. Speaking of breaks, can I have another Easter egg? Yum. rice in that one that I use those plastic containers for. Hope you guys can see that because I can't see what I'm holding the camera at. Then in this one we have, on this side, tinned products. We have pasta sauces, we have other condiments and sauces, we have spreads, and we have a little container with little sachets of sauce and stuff in that. Then we have the snacks. The snack straw. So this is all the snacks. So we've got some succotash, some Vita Wheats, my Old Faithful chocolate and Tim Tams, coffee, sultanas, my Health Lab protein bowls, got some aeroplane jelly crystals. Actually, I might make some jelly. Yum, haven't had jelly in a hot minute. Then we've got all of the supplementy kind of stuff down here. So all Brett's supplements to the left, stuff to add to our smoothies, my supplements, Brett's. And then down the very bottom, we have some of the really tall things that don't fit in my other drawers. So just like a box of cereal. I actually want to get a container to put cereal in instead of a box. And then we've just got like some bigger bottles of stuff like balsamic vinegar and stuff like that, and white wine vinegar that I don't use often, and then baking stuff. So she is all decluttered and so much neater now. I'm so glad I got that over and done with. And I wiped down like all of my white cupboards because they were literally covered in dust. So they're all clean. Got my new little nifty dish mat out. And yeah, that's about it. What about our house? There's a few really big cracks in it that we have to get patched. Check out that crack. Like the foundation's fine, like outside our house isn't cracking at all. It's just where some of the plaster's cracked with the house settling. So we need to get that fixed. But yeah, I've got this little pile of stuff that Brady has to go through. And other than that, I think I'm done. I actually really want to get the stainless steel fridge now. I'm just like looking at our kitchen, and I know it kind of seems excessive, but just a stainless steel fridge would look so much nicer. So might order that in the next month or so, I reckon, because they've got one that matches our dishwasher and our oven because they're matching appliances, and they also have a fridge that has matching handles and stuff. So I think I need to get it. And then Mum and Dad can have this fridge for out in the garage at their new house because they need a fridge out there until they move in. So yeah.